is Safari Chickens and Hatcheries and Investments. Here are the breeds that we have today. Chickens are still there. Just book yours and inquire. We can deliver wherever you are, or you can just inquire. We can arrange for deliveries. Here are the free-range road runners that we have at Rosaram Eden Farm, Village 2, 10 kilometers away from Beatrice. That's where you can get us. So call us on 0773 065575 and get the best you want. We have white astrolop, white Leghorn, Cook, Rhode Island, Black astrolops, Bushmills, Silver Wyandotte, Sasso C431. All of those chickens we have. Book yours and get yours today. Netuya tufupi fupi tundia tulipo futi. Thank you so much.